Hello there. Today I'm going to show you how you can store twice as much data than the capacity of your USB storage device. First of all, you need two software. One is Easeus Partition Master and the second one is Easeus Data Recovery. But the second software is required for the other PC you want to transfer data to. So install the Easeus Data Recovery software on the other PC that you want to transfer the data to. First of all, open Easeus Partition Master. Then you can see the drive. I have USB storage drive of minimum 8 GB capacity. Now let's wipe the data. Select wipe data. Select the number of wipe partition 1. Then press OK. Now apply. The data is wiping. It will take some more time, like roughly 5 minutes. I'm going to skip this. So our wiping partition data is now complete. Let's finish. Here you can see that the wiped data partition is shown unallocated. Now you have to create new partition. Select FAT32 because it's 8 GB. You can select NTFS for 16 GB or 32 GB or 64 GB USB storage device. Now, OK. Let's apply this, and the partition is now complete. OK. Now the partition is created. Now close this application, Easeus Partition Master. After closing this, let's copy the data that you want to transfer. I have this data in my test1 folder. It's roughly 7 GB of data. Let's try to copy this to USB drive L. Okay. Now the data is being copied. I don't know how long it will take depending on the condition of your USB storage device. But shown it's very fast, I think. Okay, the data is copied. Now let's see. Our USB drive storage is quite full and it's red now. Now the next step is to delete all the data. Yes, you heard me right. Delete all the data that you just copied. All of the data deleted from the USB storage device. Now the data is being deleted. Let's wait a little. Now the USB storage device is empty again, but not worry, you can copy another 8 GB of data. Let's try that. I have my 8 GB of data here. Let's see what's the size. It's 6.16 GB. Now let's try to copy this. Send to USB drive L. Now while it's being copied, let's wait a little. Now the data has finished copying. Now you have to do is you have to install Easeus Data Recovery to the other PC you want to transfer the data to. For that, I have made a separate video about how to install Easeus Data Recovery and Easeus Partition Master. Those software are paid, but I'm sharing with you. It's totally free. Okay. Now, after installing the Easeus Data Recovery on the other PC, let's open it. Easeus Data Recovery. Yes, open. Select the drive. Select the USB drive. Now let's scan. It's scanning and it's deep scan. You can see that it's finding the data, the whole data, all of the data that was in that USB drive. Now the scan is completed. So test 1, test 2. More lost file, MP4, Here, these are the data that I deleted from that USB storage device. These are the movies. I hope you can see that. So now let's try to recover it. Okay, let's try to recover the deleted data and also the second time of copied data. So you can see that it's 12.33 GB. Well, it's not possible because our USB storage device is 8 GB, but the contained data is 12.33 GB. Almost twice as data. I didn't copy that much data, but it's 12.33, which is greater than 8. Now let's try to recover it. So I'm going to hit recover and select the partition that I'm going to recover to. Let's say I select fun and learning. Okay, now data is being recovered. You have to remember that you have to install Easeus data recovery to the other PC that you want to data transfer to and recover the data from that PC. So you're going to transfer 16 GB or 18 GB or 12 GB of data in the capacity of USB storage device of 8 GB. How cool is that? Let's wait till the recovering is finished and then we can see how well it performed and if we can open the file that it recovered. In most cases, different types of data and different kinds of data are all okay, but if you overwrite or copy the same data again and again to that USB drive, after recovering that data, it can become corrupted. So be careful. Now the recovery is complete. Let's see what's the result. Existing partition folder and more lost files. Let's open existing partition, test 2. Here is the data. All the movies thumbnail are correct except this one. Let's try to open this one and see if this opens. Okay, I think it's going to open. Yes, it has opened. So this all files are not corrupted. This all files are fine. Now let's try to open this folder and see what happened. Yeah, you can see all the files are correct here also except this one. Let's see if we can open this one. Yep, it opened also. And MP4 file. I don't know if we can open this. Let's try. Okay, it opens fine too except this one. Yeah, this is corrupted, so I'm going to delete. So you can see that all of our recovered data is 11.2 GB, but our pen drive size was 8 GB. One or two data are corrupted, but it's not big matter. The matter is you have copied or stored much as data than the capacity of your storage device, and the files are moreover fine, not corrupted. So the video ends here, and if you guys don't know how to install Easeus data recovery or Easeus partition master, I'm gonna add a separate video for this where you can download and install Easeus data recovery and Easeus partition master without paying anything and for full free. So I'm going to end this video here. Take care.